Just one common kitchen ingredient can be turned into a simple liquid fertilizer in only 48 hours. You do not need expensive products or special equipment to make it. With a little patience, something that would normally end up in the trash can become a useful addition to your garden. This easy method is a great way to recycle kitchen waste while giving your plants a gentle nutrient boost. To make this liquid fertilizer, we collected the peels from about 1 kilogram of potatoes. Instead of throwing them away, we placed all the peels into a clean container that already had about 5 liters of water in it. The container was then covered with a lid and left undisturbed for 48 hours. During these 48 hours, the water slowly began to draw out some of the natural nutrients and organic compounds found in the potato peels. Beneficial microorganisms that are naturally present on the peels also started breaking down the soft plant material. This mild fermentation released small amounts of minerals, sugars, and other compounds into the water, turning the clear water into a light nutrient solution. The liquid may become slightly cloudy, and you might notice a mild, earthy, or fermented smell. This is completely normal and shows that the natural breakdown process is taking place. After 48 hours, the peels had already released much of what they could into the water. We strained the liquid through a fine sieve or cloth to remove all the solid pieces. The leftover peels can be added to a compost pile or buried in the garden where they will continue to break down and improve the soil. The liquid fertilizer can actually be used without dilution because it is quite mild. It is not a highly concentrated fertilizer like many commercial liquid feeds. However, for this recipe, we decided to make a larger batch and improve it with one more simple kitchen ingredient. We poured the strained liquid into another container and added 10 liters of clean water. Next, we added just 1 tablespoon of molasses. Even though the amount is small, it makes a noticeable difference. Molasses contains natural sugars that serve as food for beneficial soil microorganisms. When these microorganisms have a food source, they become more active in the soil. Active microbes help break down organic matter, making nutrients easier for plant roots to absorb. Molasses also contains small amounts of minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Although its biggest benefit comes from supporting healthy microbial activity, rather than acting as a major fertilizer itself. Stir the mixture well until the molasses has completely dissolved. Once everything is mixed together, the fertilizer is ready to use immediately. Apply this liquid around the base of your plants so it can soak into the root zone. Avoid pouring large amounts directly onto the leaves. The soil will absorb the liquid, and the microorganisms already living there will benefit from the added organic compounds and the sugars from the molasses. This homemade fertilizer works well for vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, and many potted plants. It is especially useful during the growing season when plants are actively producing new leaves, flowers, and fruit. Because it is gentle, it can be applied about once every 1 or 2 weeks without overwhelming the plants. Keep in mind that this is not a complete fertilizer containing all the nutrients plants need in large amounts. Think of it as a natural supplement that supports healthy soil and provides a small boost of nutrients. For the best results, continue using compost, well-rotted manure, or a balanced fertilizer as your main source of plant nutrition.